Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss lung volumes and capacities. First of all, we see a diagram. In this diagram, this is the tidal volume. Tidal volume, it is basically the air that moves into lungs with each quiet inspiration. This is called tidal volume. It has about 500 ml value. Then is the inspiratory reserve volume, which is the air that can still be breathed in after normal inspiration. Then is the expiratory reserve volume. Expiratory reserve volume, it is basically the air that can still be breathed out after normal expiration. This is the residual volume. This is the residual volume. It is the air in the lung after maximal expiration. One important point here is that the residual volume and the every lung capacity, which include residual volume, it cannot be measured with spirometry. This is very important point related to MCQ. Then we study the capacities of lung. This is the inspiratory reserve volume. It is basically the combination of inspiratory reserve volume and the tidal volume. Air that can still be breathed in after exhalation. This is the inspiratory capacity. Then is the functional residual capacity. It is basically the expiratory reserve volume and the residual volume sum. It is the volume of gas in lung after normal expiration. This is called functional residual capacity. Then is the vital capacity. Vital capacity, it is basically the sum of three values: tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume. It is maximum volume of gas that can be expired after maximal inspiration. So tidal volume has maximum expiration, maximum inspiration. It is a combination of three factors. Then is the total lung capacity. Total lung capacity in this include all the volume: inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, residual volume. It's the volume of gas present in lungs after maximal inspiration. So these values, these capacities of the lung are very important question related to MCQ, related to SCQ, related to long question. So we should remember these in a very simple ways. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.